Hey guys, Chris here with Crypto B Vision bringing you another wicked video. Today we're going to go over what is Bitcoin, why does Bitcoin pump, and where and how do you trade Bitcoin. We're going to be using one of my favorite exchanges, which we'll get into in a minute. But when you think about what is Bitcoin, It's so hyped, it's digital money, it's digital gold. What is it really? Well, really, it's just a way for people to send payment systems. It's a store of value, and it is considered the new digital gold. Is there a future for Bitcoin? Well, of course. Right, guys? And each Bitcoin is basically a computer file, which is stored in a digital wallet app on a smartphone or a computer. And people can send Bitcoins to their digital wallets, and you can send Bitcoin to other people in parts or in full. It is a consensus network that enables a new payment system and a completely digital money. It is the first decentralized peer-to-peer payment network that is powered by its users, guys, and with no central authority or middleman. From a user perspective, Bitcoin is pretty much like cash for the internet. So, why does Bitcoin pump? Well, guys, as you know, if you're in the market or whether you're not, it pumps on big news. Same as almost anything else. The more attention you get, the better it is. It also pumps when big hedge funds or big companies like PayPal, they listed Bitcoin to be able to purchase it with fiat for every user that's on PayPal. It is crazy, and it pumps when more money leaves something else and goes into Bitcoin. So the more money into Bitcoin, the higher the price. The more money out of Bitcoin will drop the price. Now, when you're getting your market cycles up and down, guys, that is Bitcoin being changed for USD or USDT or other altcoins. But in the end, the pump is more money into Bitcoin itself. So, guys, how to trade Bitcoin and where to trade it? Well, you can trade it using your fiat currency, which is your Canadian, your US, your Australian dollars. You can use it from altcoins to trade into Bitcoin. So the best thing to do is to enter your fiat into the market however is possible, whatever project, app, or platform is nearest to you. And then where to trade it, guys? Well, today we're focusing on a company called Hotbit. This exchange has been my top two exchanges that I use. They're awesome for altcoins. They're especially good for Bitcoins with their low fees and their investment platform. But before we go any further, guys, I'm going to ask you to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and drop me a comment. And don't forget to ding that bell, guys. We have a great community with Crypto B Vision in our Telegram. The link will be on the bottom. And I'm going to ask you to join, subscribe, and enjoy the ride. But without going any further, let's dig into Hotbit, the exchange. So here we are, guys. We are looking at the Hotbit exchange, hotbit.io, one of my favorite exchanges. If you're interested in signing up for the Hotbit exchange, the link is in the description. Also, we're going to be going through this site with a fine-tooth comb, from registration to deposits, and then we're going to show you how to trade on their platform, as well as my favorite aspect of this platform, which is their investment portfolio pack. What you can do is earn certain percentages on a lot of different coins. Mainly, we're going to be focusing on Bitcoin today, but once you sign up, register, and get some fiat, BTC, or Ethereum in there, you can definitely take a look and take a cruise through and figure out exactly what you want to do. But without going any further, guys, let's dig into the registration. So, guys, nice and efficient and easy is the way we like it. What we're going to start off with here, we're going to go through the registration process. We're not going to spend too much time on it because it is quick and efficient. So what you do, guys, you get to the Hotbit website, you click register. If somebody has given you a link, you just click their link and it'll send you right to this page. The link is in the description if you want to sign up for Hotbit. So basically, you can sign up with your email or your phone. You enter your email or your phone number. You get a code sent to you. You enter that little code. Bloop, it's there in about 3 seconds. Enter one password, confirm that password. If you have a refer, enter them. If you don't, agree to the terms, and register. And then when you register, you're going to have to confirm your email or your phone number via SMS or in your email inbox. Now, it's pretty straightforward, guys. I currently already have an account for Hotbit, so let me sign into that, and then we'll dig into the next step, which is deposit. Let's dig in. So, you're all registered for Hotbit, getting antsy to do some trading, but we don't have anything in our wallets, guys. Well, now we need to go to the deposit page. So you've confirmed your email, you're ready to go, and you're back at the Hotbit main page. From this page, we're going to guide you over to wallet, and there you're going to find deposit. So whether you're using fiat or crypto, this is where all your deposit, your withdrawal, and your transaction history is going to take place, guys. As you can see, they have a extensive list of coins here, guys. Extensive, almost never ending. So for this little tutorial, we're going to use Bitcoin, right? And you want to make sure it's on the Bitcoin network, okay? And this is your Bitcoin deposit address. Now keep in mind, guys, do not send anything except for Bitcoin to this address. What you're going to do with this address, you're going to copy it, and you're going to take that address and put it into your withdrawal in the wallet it is coming from. If you need a tutorial on how to transfer coins from wallet to wallet, you can go down to my website, cryptobvision.com, and there is a ton of tutorials on there. So that's basically your deposits, guys. Now, once your deposits are finished, now you're getting antsy. Come on. We want to do some trading, guys. We got Bitcoin in the wallet. We want to trade Bitcoin for alts. Okay, well, you go up here to markets, okay? We're going to head up to markets, and we're going to see which markets they offer, right? So you have your Bitcoin, Ethereum, Polkadot, an extensive list of markets, right? So, and you can see all the pairings and everything. So if you hover your mouse over Bitcoin, let's pretend you put in, you got USDT in your wallet. You want to buy some Bitcoin, guys. Okay, well, now we're cooking. As you can see, Bitcoin is on an extreme rise right now. But what you're going to do, your balance will show up here, guys. This is where your balance will show up for your USDT for buying Bitcoin. So what you're going to do is you're going to purchase whatever amount of Bitcoin you want in USDT. Now, this is a limit order, which means you can set what price you want to purchase it at. A market order just picks whatever price is available from the next sell. I don't use market, I use limit, because I like to know how much I'm spending in my entry into certain coins or all of the coins. Now, your volume is the amount of Bitcoin you want to buy. So if you want to buy 2 Bitcoin, this in total at current prices is going to cost you 70,000 plus USDT. Now, what I urge you to do is pop over to Hotbit, check the markets, and then you can check out the trading. They have all these other coins here as well, but that's the easiest way that I can explain it to you. Okay, so, and if you want to sell your Bitcoin, let's just take a look here. You bought Bitcoin, you deposited Bitcoin. Now you want to sell Bitcoin. You want to spend some money of that hard-earned profit you've been making. What you do is you set your price. You can even click the top price over here on the buy, and then you put in, say you're selling 1 Bitcoin. Well, you're going to get $35,295 for that Bitcoin. Same thing, limit. Set your price, amount of Bitcoin you want to buy or sell, and sell it. And then it's probably going to ask you for a confirmation right after that. But that's basically how you trade Bitcoin on the Hotbit exchange. What we're going to do now, guys, we're going to move it back into the main page. And so ETFs, guys, that's what we're looking at now. You're verified, you're trading, you're all set up, logged into your account. So if you don't know what an ETF is, guys, I suggest you Google it or you check on YouTube and get a good explanation and understand what an ETF is before you invest. But for this purpose, we're just going to check out the ETF page. So what you do is from the main page, you click on ETF. You're going to get this risk warning, guys. Now, when the risk warning comes up, you may have to zoom out one tab there. I like my computer screen to be big, so you read this, your risk warning, and then you agree to that. So now you're in ETFs. As you can see, guys, all of these are followed by 1D3L. And when you do your research on your ETFs, you're going to know exactly what that is. And look how many they have. Look how many ETFs they have that you can trade, guys. This is insane because I don't know if there's much more exchanges that have this many ETFs you're able to use. And of course, the same way you traded, it's a limit order. So basically you set your price on your BTC 1D3L. Now, what you're doing, guys, so basically ETFs are bigger gainers if it goes up and bigger losers if it goes down. It's similar to leverage, but in the way of holding a token, I guess, or a synthetic asset, as opposed to actually leveraging and being able to be liquidated. So it's a good option if you're a leverage trader. Okay, and as you can see, their platform is very, very nice. They have Hotbit has these really good charts, okay, and you can draw your trend lines and everything on here. So, but I suggest you come check out the ETF platform on Hotbit. It's really good. I'm going to start digging into this a little bit more. I just had some investments come free from their investment platform, which we're going to be digging into next. But I just wanted to touch base on this, and you can see exactly what it's all about. Again, invest with caution. In my opinion, ETFs are a safer bet than a leverage trading platform would be, guys. So from here, what we're going to do is we'll head back to the main page and we're going to jump into the investment platform. So guys, now we are registered, we've deposited, and now we've traded Bitcoin. What's next but my favorite part of the Hotbit platform, the investment program. So you're back on the main page. All you got to do is click this little Hotbit sign up here and you're back on the main page. Everything here for you. So you click up top here, investment. Now guys, this is the exciting part. So you want to look for an investment. You just bought Bitcoin. You have one Bitcoin and you want to make that Bitcoin work for you because you trust Hotbit. Hotbit is awesome. So what you do is you come over here and you search Bitcoin, or BTC. Click the search button. Now these are the options you have with Bitcoin. A lot of coins are in here, guys. As you can see, there's over 196 investment plans in here. We're not going to go through all of them, or we're just going to focus on Bitcoin for today. But I urge you, after you register, to come and take a look at this. So you have a Bitcoin 30-day lockup fund with a fixed income. That is a 10.5% APY, which is a yearly earning of 10.5% on your Bitcoin. After every 30 days, you will have to relock it up. And the percentages and APYs can fluctuate from time to time, but they stay relatively close to what you're getting into. So if we whip up our handy dandy calculator here, guys, because we know I like to use the calculators. So if we're looking at 10.5%, on one Bitcoin, say it was in there for 1 year, and we'll call it 1 Bitcoin. So you times it by 0.105. So that means you get 0.105 of a Bitcoin in a year, okay? So now what that is telling me is if Bitcoin is 35,000 right now, and it stays that exact dollar amount. So if we times that by 35,000, guys, in 1 year, you will have made almost $3,700 just for holding a Bitcoin. The chances of Bitcoin staying at 35,000 or dipping below that for an extended period of time is, in my opinion, very not the case. If you don't like the lockup period, you have DeFi smart pools. You have a 7-day lockup. Of course, the actual interest rates are lower, but that's up to the actual user. So if you want to use this Hotbit investment platform, I recommend the 30-day lockups. I've never had a problem. I put my Polkadot, my KSM, my PCX. I got a lot of coins in here and I love it. I've been using this platform for 2 years. So now that we're done with that, guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video on Hotbit, their exchange, and everything they have to offer. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and ding that bell. And drop me a comment. Are you using Hotbit? Are you going to sign up for Hotbit? What are your thoughts? And don't forget about that Telegram group, guys.